5 things that your roof warranty won't cover. Coming up next. Number 1. Damage caused by natural disasters. Many roof warranties won't cover damage caused by natural disasters such as earthquakes, hurricanes, tornadoes, and floods. This is because these events are often considered to be outside of the control of the roofing manufacturer and installer. Number 2. Negligence. If you fail to maintain your roof properly, or if you cause damage to your roof through your own negligence, the warranty may not cover the cost of repairs or replacement. It is important to follow the manufacturer's recommended maintenance guidelines to ensure your warranty is valid. Number 3. Installation errors. If your roof was not installed correctly, the warranty may not cover any resulting damage or defects. This is why it's important to hire a reputable and experienced roofing contractor to install your roof. Number 4. Vandalism. If someone intentionally damages your roof, such as by graffiti or other acts of vandalism, your warranty may not cover the cost of repairs or replacement. Number 5. Normal wear and tear. Over time, all roofs will experience normal wear and tear due to exposure to the elements. While some warranties may cover defects or premature failure, they may not cover damage that occurs as a result of regular wear and tear. Well, that's it for this week. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel for more videos just like this.